Hi everyone, welcome back to the kitchen. If you've come to this video through my special link, then you're interested in Herbalife and interested in getting yourself on the path to healthier life. So I figure the best way to start off is to give you a little bit of an overview, because the way that I was inspired was through someone else's story, so I want to inspire you with my story. Now, keep in mind, I am a work in progress. I am by no means the picture of optimal health yet, but I'm working on it, and it just takes that first step. Many of you may know that in 2019, I lost my mom in February of that year. It was a really bad year for me, emotionally, physically. I was not motivated to do much of anything, and as a result, my health suffered. I already have underlying health conditions. They include severe low thyroid disorder, as well as polycystic ovarian disorder. Those two things, combined with what my endocrinologist calls genetic anomaly of my pancreas, all make for an almost impossible way for me to lose weight. I could eat nothing and still gain weight. I've literally remained the same size for the last 10 years. This past February of 2020, I got sick, so I decided to give Herbalife a try. So since the beginning of February, but because my entire family decided to take this plunge with me, we're all doing Herbalife together, and we're all reaping the benefits of this plan. We eat a shake for breakfast. I have a shake, and I also have a tea with aloe. We have a snack that's less than 250 calories between what would be breakfast and lunch, or somewhere. We really kind of have it like at lunchtime, so you'll figure out what your favorite way to do it is. And then we have an afternoon shake, and we have an afternoon snack sometimes, and then we have our dinner together as a family. This has worked well for us. Some people have greater success with weight loss on the plan if they eat their main meal during the lunchtime hour, but you'll figure out what's best for yourself. I have lost 35 pounds since February. In my first week, I was literally astounded, standing on the scale going, oh my gosh, I can't believe it. Literally looking, making sure, getting off and getting back on again. My first week on the plan, I lost 10 pounds. After that, I have been losing between 1 to 3 pounds a week, and I couldn't be happier. So if you think this is something that you would like to give a try, I'm gonna go over to the kitchen counter and do a little bit of an overview of the products, and then I'm gonna give you links down below where you can check it out. But let's go have a look at the products. Now we're gonna go over the basic products that we use every single day to make delicious shakes and tea with aloe. Now, I'm the only one in the house who uses the tea with aloe, but it does act as a digestive, and it helps move things along in your system. Most important, you're going to want the protein drink mix. This comes in vanilla and chocolate, which we always have on hand. They also do offer it in a peanut butter flavor. We don't use that very often, so we usually just stick to the chocolate and the vanilla. Then they have the Formula 1. This is what you use in combination with the protein powder to make your delicious meal shakes. So right now, I have vanilla and chocolate, but they have a large variety of flavors. They have a banana caramel, they have orange cream, pralines and cream, they have a cafe latte, they have a wild berry. They have a large variety of flavors. They have a pina colada, that's one of Rick's favorites. And you can just make these with the powders, some water and some ice in your blender, or you can put them in a shaker cup and shake them up and enjoy them if you're on the go. They really do make a delicious meal replacement, and they really do stick with you. I have not been hungry, and to be honest with you, I probably eat more now because I'm very conscious of what I'm doing than I ever did when I was trying to lose weight before. I'm literally rebuilding my metabolism and getting my body back into a healthy state. And that's what this is all about. I went into this saying, I'm not doing this to lose weight. I'm doing this to get healthy, because that's the number one goal here. If weight loss happens, that's a bonus. And boy, did it happen. And boy, was I impressed. So I like to have my shake and a tea every morning and every afternoon. And the tea you make with this tea concentrate, and I prefer the peach tea and the lemon tea. I also have the raspberry tea. It comes in a plain flavor as well as a chai tea flavor, which is like Christmas style tea. And then they have the aloe. This is you give like 3 capfuls in your cup, a half a teaspoon of the tea concentrate in 12 ounces of water, and you shake it up with the aloe, and you enjoy over ice. I like to also add a packet of sugar-free drink mix. You guys know, like, you can get these little packets of Crystal Light or even the store brand, and these really make everything taste great, and the variety of teas that you can make with that is endless. They're so refreshing and delicious, and they really are satisfying, and they're really gonna kind of satisfy that need for a sweet if you have a sweet tooth. And I swear to you that you're not going to be hungry, and it's going to be delicious. You're not going to feel deprived. And I think that Rick can attest to that as well, because he's been doing it along with me. You get 2 snacks a day, you get 2 shakes a day, and you get your main meal, which you can put either at lunchtime or at supper time. That's your choice. But your main meal, we do recommend that it be low in carb, high in fiber, and have lots of vegetables and not have a lot of starches. I'm going to leave a link down below. The first link, as I mentioned, is going to be to my Herbalife website, where you can go explore the products, see if it's going to suit your needs. They have a whole line of supplements that you can consider. They have a line of skincare. They have all the shake flavors and everything under the sun that Herbalife offers. There is no pressure here. If you want to have a look, that's fabulous. If you've decided to watch this video, I appreciate it. No worries there. I just want to share what I know can help you, because it's helped me. It's something that I really never thought I would be able to achieve, but here I am, and I want everyone to know that this comes from a place in my heart. And if it will help you, then I want you to give it a try. The links are down below to my website or to the site where you can become a preferred member and get discounts on everything that you buy. You might want to consider giving it a try for a month, and I would recommend buying a canister of protein powder of your choice of flavor, a canister of whatever flavor, Formula 1, or maybe a couple of them if you want to mix it up and try making a couple of the recipes that we're sharing on our YouTube channel. I also would recommend getting a bottle of aloe, which should last you a month if you're having 1 tea a day, and a canister of tea, which is definitely going to last you a month. This is the large, comes in 2 sizes. You don't have to buy the large one, you can buy the small one, which will last you a month. So, because you're only using a half a teaspoon at a time when you make it. You don't have to limit yourself to 1 tea a day, but this is going to give you energy, and it's going to give you a boost. A delicious tea with aloe is going to really help you out and give you a little bit of energy and give you that little zhuzh that you need to get through the rest of the day. You can become a preferred member. As I mentioned, there is a fee for that. However, when you do that, everything you buy kind of racks up points, and the more you buy, then you level up and you get a discount every time you buy something. So eventually, once you hit the gold level, you will be receiving a 42% discount on everything you buy. So if you're gonna go on this for the long haul, I recommend that you do that, because why not get a little credit for what you're gonna be buying anyway? If you have any questions, please reach out to me and I'll try and answer you the best that I can. When you become a preferred member, you get dedicated coaching, you get all sorts of information and all sorts of help, because we want to make sure that you guys have as much support as possible. So I want to thank you for watching today's video. I'm going to leave all those links down below if you're interested. Good luck to you, and I wish you the best health, because remember, this is all about being healthy, and the weight loss is just a bonus, and life is short. So you want to be the healthiest that you can be. And like I said at the beginning of this video, I am a work in progress. I am not perfect. And I know that you are a work in progress too. So let's just set our sights on the goal of being the best that we can be. And hopefully Herbalife can help you along that journey. So I hope you give it a try. If you do, let me know. I hope you love it, because I don't know why you wouldn't. And until next time, I'll see ya.